Here's the Payne central air conditioner, which I got starting up back in June. Now it has a bad compressor already. This is a 2011 2-ton 13-seat. That line set is cold. It's blowing up cold air. Such a line is cold as well. Pretty sure this is a newer Emerson score in there, and it's already gone bad this fast. And we're fine in June. I don't know why it's already gone this bad. Well, there you have it. I believe this is probably I believe this might be the last video I might make of it, but if this does get replaced, then that's something else. So anyway, there's that.